Myself, Vaishnavee from SNS College of Engineering in the Department of Information Technology. So next is the logical operator. So now we're going to see about the logical operator. These three are the logical operators: and, or, and not. So and, or, not. These three are the logical operators. So what are the purpose of these three logical operators? So and operator is nothing but it will check the condition. If both the conditions are true, it will execute the statement, or else it will exit the statement. So if both the conditions are true, it will accept. If it is false, it will exit. For example, 4 is greater than 2 and 3 is greater than 6. Here both the conditions are not true. So 4 by 4 is greater than 2 is true and 3 greater than 6 is false. So it will give the statement false because the condition is both the statement must be true. And it is directly opposite to or. If any one of the condition is true, it will give true. So in this condition, 4 greater than 2 or 3, sorry, it is mistakenly given as and, it is or. 4 greater than 2 or 3 greater than 6 returns true because any one statement is true, it will give true. Not operator, it is vice versa. If it is true, it will give false. If it is false, it will give true. So these are the logical operators. So false, true, true, false for not. False, 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 true, false, true, false, false, true, true, true. If it is both the statement true, it will be true for and. For or, any one of the statement is true, it will true. False, 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 true, 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 false, true, 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 true. So this is the example. Here we are going to print the logical operators. Print 10 is less than 5 and 10 is less than 20. So the first statement is false, so it will give false. 10 is less than 5 or 10 is less than 20. Here the second statement is true. So since we used or, any one condition is enough. So it is true. So 20 is less than 10. Yeah, it is true, but we give a not operation, so it will give the opposite. So false. So these are the operator and operands examples. So 5 is less than 2 and 5 is greater than 3. Since the one statement is false, it is false. 5 is less than 2 or 5 is less than 3. Since one statement is true, it will be true. 5 is less than 2. The statement is false, but we gave a not, so it will give the true. So membership operators. So the membership operators is to find that whether the data is in that or not. So return true if the value or a variable exists in the given sequence. If it is not there, it will give false. Return true if the value or variable does not exist in the given sequence. If the values exist, then it will give false for not 10. So here we have item equal to 42. So my list is equal to 1 to 42. So I am going to check item in my list. So the in is the operator which I use. It will check each and every things in the list starts from 1, 2, 3. So until unless the end of the list, it will search. Since it find the 42 in the last, so it will give true. If it is not find, it will give false. Identity operator, so it is to find that is not, is equal to or not. So each operator returns true if both the operands or variables are referring to the same memory location. Otherwise, it will return false. A is B. It will return true if both the operands or variables are referring to the different memory location. If A is not in B. So let's see example here. A is equal to 20, B is equal to 20, and C is equal to 22. D is equal to 15, E is equal to list 10, 22, F is equal to 10. So print A is B. Yes, A is equal to B, 20, 20. So it is true. C is B. So C is not equal to B. So it gives false. E is not in F. Yes, E is not in F. So it gives true. So this is about the bitwise operators. So and, or, XOR, bitwise ones complement, left shift and right shift. So these are about the conclusion of the operators plus additional operators, logical operators, and operator. These all those operators we have found in this video. So this is the Python operator precedence, highest to lowest. So these are the bitwise operators, bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise exclusive OR, ones complement, shift to left, shift to right, all those. So this is a single problem for everything. So in this it will give all the arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, assignment operator, bitwise operator, identity operator, and membership operators.